think this is one of the best tools on the market for building apps right now. Next, we've got a platform which you might not have heard of called Leap. Now, Leap is built by a Swedish company called Encore, which basically have like a deployment and backend infrastructure platform where you can deploy apps to the cloud, and it gives you all the stats on all the backend stuff and all the deployment stuff. I'm not like super technical with this, so it's similar in that way to a tool like Render, which basically allows you to deploy your app to the cloud and gives you a more solid infrastructure. Leap is their AI app building tool. And Leap is basically in this more like hybrid space between a more complex and technical code editor, which has a bunch of stuff built in like database and authentication, integrates really, really well with third-party services like Polar for payments. They kind of do that straight out of the box really easily. I actually had a demo with Leap with one of the product managers there, and we managed to build like an AI agent with a chat interface in just a few prompts, basically using the OpenAI SDK, and it all worked. It referenced the context, it had memory, it was super powerful just from the prompts. I think Leap has one of the most accurate prompts to app building workflows that I've seen and used. Very similar to Lovable, and I would highly recommend Leap for more like enterprise, commercial and full stack applications over something like a Lovable or Bolt. And I really enjoyed using Leap. I think this is one of the best tools on the market for building apps right now. And so if you're okay with a little bit more technical overhead, with learning a little bit more technical stuff, then I would hugely recommend Leap. And I'm actually going to put Leap into this S category at the top here, because I was super impressed with the platform and how it works.